Today we'll be looking at 5 of the best t-shirt bras across 5 different brands. Oh, and I am also doing a giveaway. A t-shirt bra will be given to 3 lucky winners. All you need to do is like, comment and subscribe. For those of you that don't know what a t-shirt bra is, it's just a bra that gives a smooth line and a smooth look under clothing with no lines or seams. First up is the Elomi Tshirt Bra. They have some amazing t-shirt bras that fit really well. There's a t-shirt bra for every occasion and we've tested them all in store and none of them have disappointed so far. However, the Elomi Tshirt Bra is a standout winner under t-shirts, dresses and under casual or formal wear. The moulded space material contours to your shape, giving you this rounded shape without adding extra padding. This bra works so well if you're like most people that has asymmetry. The cups are full coverage with added side support panels under the lace that works really well if you have heavy pendulous east-west or even side set boobs. Now on to Fitfully Yours. The Fitfully Yours brand started in 2009 and has gone from strength to strength. They have a wide range to choose from with a slightly higher price point, but it's oh so worth it. The Fitfully Yours Elise t-shirt bra has this light structured padding, but what you'll find with the cut of these cups is it may be a full coverage bra, but it does have that lower centre. And with having that lower centre, it gives a great cleavage. It's as though they thought of everything with this bra. They have even included the J-hook so you can wear that bra with a racer back tops. And the wide band is great for smoothing the back. This bra gives a subtle cleavage even though it's full coverage, and it works great with all of the boob shapes. What I love most about this bra is the fact that it comes in 8, yes 8 different colours and not just the standard beige or black. If I had to critique them, this bra, I would have to say that the sizing is a little off. It's a little big in the cups and the band is also big. So if you want to get this bra, you will need to size down. If you need help, you know where I am. The next brand is Freya. They have a solid range of t-shirt bras depending on the style of bra you're wanting. They have you covered, whether it's a plunge, push-up, balconette or even full coverage. However, today I am focusing on the Freya Idol, which is great for those of you that want fuller coverage without feeling like you're drowning in the cups because they're so full. With this clever design, it works with all the different shapes. And another bonus is that the bra is actually reasonably priced, making it a great choice for all those occasions when you want to wear a t-shirt. The feedback in store about the Freya Idol is that it's surprisingly comfortable and it gives a great shape for a full coverage bra. However, when we fit this bra in store, we do have to size down in the cups as they do run big. So for example, if you are an F cup, you need to go to an E or a triple D. The next t-shirt bra brand is the Parfait range. This range is your most budget friendly in this video. This bra has tied in first place for the best push-up bra. Parfait have designed the Casey bra to be a push-up bra without adding extra padding, with a deep V, making this bra ideal for low-cut tops when you want cleavage. This bra shape works for round breast shapes mainly. The band can be a little tight, so you may want to size up in the band size, unless you wear your band on the tighter side. If you don't want to wear a tight band, go up to the next band size. But in order to keep the cup size the same, size down in the cups. Wacoal has a massive range of t-shirt bras and are arguably the most recognisable brand out there. Some of the t-shirt bras have padding, some do not. The Wacoal Basic Beauty is a classic full coverage bra made in that oh so soft moulded space material, ideally suited to all breast shapes due to the fact that it contours so perfectly. This bra works for anybody that has struggled to wear a t-shirt bra in the past with added side support panels, which really helps give that forward projection and that close set look. And if this was not enough, this bra has wide sides which gives that smoother appearance and smooths out that dreaded back fat. The Wacoal Basic Beauty works as an everyday bra under high cut tops. This bra works really well for those that have narrow shoulders or sloping shoulders due to the fact that the straps are on the narrower set side. The only critique that I have about this bra is that the band tends to run small and the cups tend to run really big. So if you're a double D, maybe try a D cup.